Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all the viewers. First of all, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Binti Harun, and I am from Politeknik Negeri Nunukan. On behalf of my first author, Mr. Ismail Ramli, and my co-authors, Denny, Hendra, Cipta, we would like to present a paper, namely the analysis of system damage towards ALN Nunukan Regency periodical treatment. So this paper consists of 4 chapters. The first one is introduction, and then methodology, findings and analysis, and also conclusion. PLN, or Perusahaan Listrik Negara, is the sole electricity provider in Indonesia. So this state company has office and power plants spread throughout Indonesia. One of those are located in Nunukan, which is the capital of Nunukan Regency province of North Kalimantan, which is located on Nunukan Island. In order to provide electricity to the citizens of Nunukan, PLN Nunukan relies mainly on its diesel engine generator to produce electricity independently. They also cannot take electricity from the North Kalimantan interconnection network grid because of its isolated location. There are currently 3 diesel engines used by PLN in Nunukan Regency. An NAN diesel engine manufactured in Germany in 1999, a Daihatsu diesel engine manufactured in Japan in 1999, and an MUM diesel engine manufactured in Germany in 1999. So based on the year of production, all of these engines have been operated for about 16 hours. In its journey as a diesel-powered power plant, the costs to generate electricity are relatively high. The price of diesel fuel is rising, and fossil-based oil sources in Indonesia are becoming increasingly scarce. For problems that are severe enough outside of normal maintenance procedures, PLN usually brings in specialist mechanics from vendors or machine sellers from Jakarta, related to the maintenance and repair of diesel engines at PLN Nunukan Regency. So the formulation of the problem in this paper is to determine the periodic maintenance of piston damage. Generally, the author employs descriptive research where the study focuses on enhancing a situation. The research also conducted on a current issue with the intent of achieving superior results to those of the previous research. It is also conducted to look at and collect data to gain a clear understanding about the piston damage to the MAN D2842LE201 diesel engine. The data collection method in this paper are divided into 3. The first one is the literature study, and then interviews, and also observation. The specification of the diesel engine that discussed in this paper are mentioned as follows here. It begins with the manufacturer and the country of the manufacturer, year of manufacturing, engine type, and so far and so on. Next, the visual inspection. The purpose of visual inspection is to observe the physical condition of the piston and then to compare it with the existing references. Indications of piston damage can be seen by physical changes in components, scratches, or frictions. or changes in the color of these components. Although it is clear to see directly, the piston suffered severe damage. Some supporting things that need to be considered in carrying out a visual inspection process on pistons, including: first, we need to clean the components first so that the signs of damage can be seen clearly. Number 2, observe every component detail. Number 3, provide references related to the visual inspection process to make it easier to understand every indication found. The figure here shows that the heavy damage on the piston skirt, the fragment of piston in what causing the loud noise in the engine. After the diesel engine have been observed, we can say that the main cause of the piston damage is because a clogged or obstructed oil nozzle causes excessive friction on the piston body in the cylinder liner, damaging the piston in the combustion chamber. High temperatures and a lack of lubricant in the combustion chamber also contribute to wear and tear. In addition to the piston, the connecting rod and cylinder liner was also severely damaged. The signs of damage are as follows. First, there is a decrease in engine performance when in operation. Second, when the engine is operating stably, a loud banging sound is heard, which results in the engine turning off. For the handling and treatment of the diesel engine, it is divided into several time periods. It starts with the PO or daily, and then P1 weekly, P2 2 weeks, P3 monthly, P4 trimester, and also P5 semester. Due to the severe damage described above, the cracked or broken piston can no longer be used, even if it is repaired in any way, it cannot be used. In order to restart the engine, a new piston must be installed. At the same time, the combustion chamber components that are severely damaged may be repaired or handled in other ways, depending on the extent of the damage. The graph here also shows that the Nunukan Ltd has carried out regular maintenance, which has resulted in engine components being maintained. So, uh, based on the findings and analysis, the author can conclude that the leading cause of piston damage occurs because of wear and tear caused by the meeting between the surface of the liner wall and the friction surface of the piston skirt due to less than optimal lubricant. Furthermore, temperatures that are too high cause the components in the combustion chamber to suffer severe damage. Periodic maintenance helps components in the engine not quickly experience trouble. Well, I think this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening and have a good day everyone. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.